Clearing the cache and junk files can make your PC run smoothly. And if you also need to free up some space on your PC, it's a good thing to clear cache and junk files since these files were not created by you in the first place. Alright, let me show you how to do that. First, you want to type Windows plus R on your keyboard. That will open the Run windows. You can also go to the Start menu and right-click. Then you want to click on Run, which also does the same thing. First, type prefetch and then click OK. Click on Continue to get permission to access the folder. So these are some cache files. Select one of the files, then type Ctrl+A to select all. Then you want to press Shift+Delete button. So that will delete everything here. Some files might not be deleted. You can just click on Delete again to see if it will go away. This was deleted successfully. But if you can delete some files, don't worry, you don't need to delete all. But you could just try deleting them several times if they will go away. But if they don't worry. It's just because those files are being used by a program running in the background. Let's close this. Next, we will type Windows plus R again to open the Run command. This time, type temp, then click on OK. Again, select any file, and then press Ctrl+A to select all. Then hold down the Shift key and press Delete to delete all. Skip any file that does not delete. Close the window. Again, we will type Windows plus R to open the Run command. This time, type %temp%, then click on OK. Click any file, then press Command+A to select all. Hold down the Shift key and press the Delete button on your keyboard to delete all. Just leave any files that refuse to delete. Then we close this window. Lastly, type Windows plus R. Now type in cleanmgr. Then press OK. This will bring up the disk cleanup. You just want to select everything here. Recycle bin, temporary files, and others. You can choose to exclude the recycle bin if there are files in your recycle bin you'd like to keep. Then you press OK, and that will begin the cleanup. This will clean your PC and remove all junk files. If you find the video helpful, click the like button and subscribe to the channel.